I want to talk to you about your third emotional center or chakra. It's at your solar plexus. When you heal this area, you can heal all your digestive organs, including the stomach, the liver, the gallbladder, the pancreas, your intestines. And this is your third emotional center. When your emotions aren't balanced, this area, it talks back. It lets you know something needs to be healed. Mostly women, but also some men with substantial weight problems, they usually have unresolved issues in their third emotional center. One of the first things you need to do in order to heal your gut and your health challenges is to shore up your third emotional center. The health of the third emotional center, it depends on a balance between responsibility to ourselves and responsibility to others, and also our sense of self-esteem. It is adversely affected whenever we put our responsibility to others over our responsibility to ourselves. This center, it's all about our self-esteem and our personal power, and also our sense of just loving ourselves, being so okay with this dynamic, amazing person that you are. It is adversely affected whenever you feel overly responsible for the welfare of others. I had a client, her name was Lori. She was the oldest of 5 children. So her mom always told her that she was responsible for her siblings. Because she was the oldest and she should know better, right? Whenever any of her siblings was injured or got into trouble, she was blamed. As a result of having this responsibility placed on her at such a young, early age, she developed very acute gut issues. When things were about to go wrong, she knew it, and her gut would hurt. This ability, it served her well because she knew what was going to go wrong, but it didn't make her feel good. She worked at a big hospital. She was an administrative assistant, and she suffered from very bad digestive upsets. It wasn't fun, okay? She needed to learn to get more responsible for herself. Self-esteem, it comes from feeling good about ourselves. So as I always say, this is an inner game. You need to reinforce the center from the inside out. So our third emotional center, it is also related to how good we feel about our relationships, our bodies, our homes, and our lives, just everything in general. Sometimes a lifetime of weight and self-esteem problems, they're solved at midlife. And as we finally learn self-acceptance and self-celebration, yes, we need to celebrate ourselves. Our job is to learn to take care of ourselves instead of everybody else. If we don't grasp how to do this, we soon learn that no one will do this for us. But we begin to go about mastering this important skill, we often find ourselves feeling guilty. Kind of like, who's going to do everything if I don't do it? Oh, yeah, not a good feeling. The feeling of guilt, it hits us right in our solar plexus, which is also the body center associated with self-esteem. Repeat after me. I choose and claim to become masterful at receiving love, support, insights that make a great contribution, financial abundance. I claim and vow to get great at receiving an epic lifestyle that's full of play, fun, sensuality, and masters the art of living. Ooh, great job. If you believe this and you get this in your head, when others get pretentious and they're amazed by your audacity and they shake their fingers at you, you're going to be feeling so good, it won't even matter. Confidence is the new beauty, and you're exuding it. Get great at receiving. No longer feel broken or in lack. Be your gift to the world. So let's try on some breathing exercises that'll help you do just that and can work through years of therapy. It's amazing. Once we strengthen our third chakra, the solar plexus, you just feel better. So every day, I do this especially when I'm doing my scanning in the morning, my central channel. You breathe from the bottom of your feet all the way up to the solar plexus. Then you let it get big like a grapefruit, and then bring it back and get it small like a baseball. Big like a grapefruit, and then small like a baseball. Do this 3, 4, 5 times. Just keep breathing back and forth. Then let your breath come to the top of your head, and then bring it down. Breathe in, baseball, grapefruit. Baseball, grapefruit. This is a great exercise that I learned in the energy codes, and I've probably been doing it every day for about a year. It's really changed the way I feel about myself, and my gut issues have really improved. Bring your breath down and let it come back up. I love to do this for 5 or 10 minutes and just get myself grounded right in my solar plexus. It's going to make you feel so good. So try it on and report in on how it works for you. Move on over to the next exercise. And again, I can't wait to hear how all of this works for you. So please let us know on GroupMe, and be prepared to talk about this next week in our coaching call. See you on the next video.